beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. To my old subscriber, I really love you guys, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly turn up the notification bell, like, comment and subscribe. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I use my standing mixer to make my pounded yam. So guys, this is just me trying to peel my yam. I'm getting my yam ready. So let's go. So guys, I just finished peeling my yam and already be washed. I just transfer that into my pot and I'll be cover it to cooked. So guys, my yam is ready. So right now I'll be transferring that inside my mixer bowl and I will try to use the mixer to match it up. So let's go guys. So guys, at this particular time you can see that our pounded yam is getting ready. So I'll be adding some water to that. You don't have to add the water once, you just have to be putting the water a little bit so that it won't get soft too much. So we can just go ahead to add our water as much as we want it. So right now guys, look at that, our pounded yam is ready and we'll just go ahead to put it inside my food bag and serve it for ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.